Alright, so a problem like this just involves two things. First of all, your knowledge of exponent rules, and second of all, your knowledge of basic fractional algebra. I'll show you how both work. And remember that if you go to the videos section and check out SAT math videos, you'll be able to look at all of the different exponent rules. Make sure you do it. If you don't know them, you're guaranteed to get at least 5 questions wrong on the SAT. So, here goes. The question is, x to the negative 4 equals 16. Well, the first question is, what the heck is x to the negative 4? Remember that anything to the negative exponent is just that thing to a regular exponent's reciprocal. So, x to the negative 4 equals 1 over x to the 4th. So, that's the first step. X to the negative 4 equals 1 over x to the 4th. Now, we plug that back in, and we have 1 over x to the 4th equals 16. So, I'm going to make this a little bit easier, and I'm going to multiply both sides by x to the 4th. Basically, I'm just going to shove this over there. And what I get is 1 equals 16 x to the 4th. Now, I'm going to make this even easier. Get the 16, drop it under the 1 by dividing both sides by 16. And what I get is 1 over 16 equals x to the 4th. All right, so from here, I just need to realize something. X has to be less than 1. Any number 1 or larger will get bigger when you take it to the 4th. Much bigger, in fact. Any number that is a fraction to an exponent means that it is less than 1. It's going to get progressively smaller. So the only thing we can do here is think, well, what to the 4th equals 16? Remember that the SAT is never going to test you on some insane kind of exponents. They're never going to, expect you to know that, 13 to the 15th. They're never going to have you do that. It would be insanity. So the simple numbers you're usually going to deal with on an exponent this large, 4, are 1, 2, 3. That's it. And we know it's not going to be 3. We know it's not going to be 1. So what about 2? 2 to the 4th. 2, 4, 8, 16. So x actually equals 1/2. If you think about it, 1/2 times 1/2 is 1/4. Times 1/2 is 1/8. Times another half is 1/16. And x ends up equaling 1/2. So, more than anything, the big trick here is to get comfortable with some of these basic exponential rules, and also with certain, basic numbers that go up by big exponents, 2, 3, and sometimes 4. They might ask you for 4 to the 4th, but that's about as big as it's ever going to get. So, presto, you have the answer. Now check out some more problems.